So we're going to do some tapping to prepare you for
Yeah,
giving your baby an amazing welcome. Shall we do some positive tapping? Would that be helpful?
that
Do
would
you,
be
is
really
there any?
nice. Just a positive would be amazing, because that's all that baby needs to come into the world, into a
Yeah,
nice, happy mum.
yeah. I think you said you're having a planned cesarean, is that right?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, planned
Yeah.
C-section.
So still acknowledging that cesarean is still a birth and it's a physical experience, but it's also a welcoming into the world of this baby. It's birthing you as a mother again for the second time. Let's tap on the finger points as we're talking for a moment. So thinking about the day, I presume you've got a date
Yeah,
today. So thinking about how would you like to feel as you wake up on that special morning?
gosh, calm, excited. Yeah, really, really present. I want to be as present as I can be. Wow. Yeah, I just feel like that bubbly, warm, excited feeling. I just can't wait.
Mm,
I just want those feelings, and just all positive, for it all just to be as smooth as it was last time. That's my dream.
beautiful. So, what you could do in your mind, you could connect with your baby and just let them know that on this day, we're going to be meeting each other, and say to the baby, do everything you need to do now to be completely ready to come into this world on this date, because that's the date we're going to meet each other. So, just preparing your babies to knowing this is the time.
Yeah.
So, any last minute developments are happening in the perfect way so that when you arrive, absolutely the right time and the right moment. And how does that feel when you connect with that and connect with your baby?
It was really lovely and really safe. I feel safe,
Beautiful.
like a nice, safe feeling, and calm.
Wonderful.
So excited. It's such a special experience. And I am just so excited now. This last bit, it's just this final bit, isn't it?
Beautiful. So just visualizing now. So you're driving to wherever you're giving birth, and think about, is there going to be music? Just
Yeah.
connecting with that beautiful music, and letting the baby know that that's what's going to be happening. We're going to be going in the car, the music's going to be playing, and then we're going to be arriving. And very shortly after that, we're going to be meeting each other. So just connecting with that moment of meeting and just noticing the touch of the baby's skin and
The
just
smell.
gazing into the baby's eyes, the smell, and just feeling that now, and just like letting the baby know, you are so welcome. We are so looking forward to having you in our family. You are the fourth person in our family, and our little girl is welcoming you too. And we can't wait to meet you. And just notice any other words that you want to say to the baby right now that are welcoming words, and just say that in your own time. And as you're saying that in your own time, take some lovely deep breaths and breathing those breaths deep into your belly, into your baby, into your womb where your baby's growing now. And if there was a beautiful, welcoming color that you could infuse into that day, into that moment when you meet your baby, you touch your baby, you feel your baby, you smell your baby, that color that you're bathing, a bubble of beautiful energy that you and your baby are being bathed in, just notice that color. Is there any particular color that comes to you?
Yeah, like a really bright white.
A
Bright
beautiful
white.
bright white.
Yeah, like a
So just,
light.
oh,
Yeah.
beautiful. And if there was a quality or an energy to that beautiful bright light, bright white, what quality would that be?
Like a really big bubble
Mm,
that's like soft and squishy. It's just a
mm,
big bubble.
wonderful, wonderful. And any emotions in that bubble?
Oh, yeah. Just so much love. So much love.
So just feeling that so much love right now and visualizing that bright white squidgy bubble of so much love bathing your baby right now as it does all the finishing touches to being completely ready at the right moment on that right day to come into your life and into your partner's life and into your daughter's life.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And when you're ready, you can put your hands on your heart chakra and just say transform and take a deep breath. Actually, you might want to connect your hands to your belly and just feeling your baby now as well. Just really enjoying that connection.
That's really special. Thank you, Tamara. That was so nice.